Our planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges. Habitats are disappearing and species are vanishing at alarming rates. The need for effective conservation has never been greater. Thankfully, a new generation of technologies offers hope. Artificial intelligence, drones, and blockchain are transforming how we protect our planet. These innovations provide powerful tools to combat threats and preserve our natural heritage. These technologies are not a silver bullet. They are tools that, when used responsibly, can significantly enhance conservation efforts. By embracing innovation, we can empower those on the front lines of conservation. We can make a tangible difference in safeguarding our planet for future generations. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing conservation by analyzing vast amounts of data. AI-powered camera traps, strategically placed in the wild, capture images of passing animals. These images are then analyzed by sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms can identify individual animals, their species, and even their behavior. This information is invaluable for researchers. It helps them track populations, study animal movements, and monitor the effectiveness of conservation efforts. AI also plays a critical role in combating poaching. Algorithms can analyze data from sources like acoustic sensors and foot patrols. This helps predict poaching hotspots and deploy rangers more effectively. Drones are rapidly becoming indispensable tools for conservationists. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can monitor vast and inaccessible areas. They provide a bird's-eye view of forests, coastlines, and other vital ecosystems. Drones are particularly effective in combating illegal activities. They can track poachers in real time, monitor deforestation, and detect illegal fishing vessels. This aerial surveillance significantly increases the chances of catching perpetrators and deterring future crimes. Drones also play a crucial role in wildlife monitoring. They can track animal movements, survey populations, and even collect DNA samples without disturbing the animals. Blockchain technology is emerging as a powerful tool for promoting transparency and traceability in conservation. By creating secure and tamper-proof records, blockchain can help combat illegal wildlife trafficking, logging, and fishing. For example, blockchain can be used to track the origin of timber, seafood, and other products. This ensures they come from sustainable and legal sources. Consumers can then make informed choices, supporting businesses that prioritize conservation. Blockchain can also help track donations to conservation organizations. This ensures transparency and accountability, giving donors confidence that their contributions are being used effectively. While the potential of technology for conservation is immense, challenges remain. High costs, the need for technical expertise, and ethical concerns need careful consideration. Collaboration among governments, conservation organizations, technology companies, and local communities is crucial. Sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices will maximize the impact of these technologies. We must also address ethical concerns. Data privacy, responsible use of AI, and potential disruptions to ecosystems must be carefully considered. Despite these challenges, the future of tech-driven conservation is bright. By embracing innovation and fostering collaboration, we can leverage technology's power. Together, we can ensure a healthier and more sustainable future for our planet.